Want to turn your photos into 3D spatial scenes and even create 3D lock screen on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max? Then just open the Photos app and choose a photo that you want to turn into 3D. Just make sure your photos has clear separation between the foreground and background or has depth of field. Now just tap on this small spatial scene icon. When it's done, the photo will be a little zoomed. So now just move your phone around and be amazed. The more separations you have, the spatial scene will look more real. As you can see, spatial scene will separate all the visible layers, just like the foreground, the subject, and the background here. And while in spatial mode, you can just swipe left or right to switch between photos, and they'll be converted to 3D automatically. This also works great for landscape photos or portraits. Last but not least, to set 3D images as your iPhone's lock screen, just set one of these photos as your lock screen wallpaper. Then from the edit page, just turn on the spatial scene toggle. There you have it. Now you know how to make photos 3D and get 3D lock screen. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you around.